Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ola with Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Aries case series lineup for the Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, if you end up liking my content, please go ahead and mash that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to receive more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and a notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so the first case that we're going to look at is for the Galaxy S21, and this is the Aries Purple. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just pop this open. Slide this out. And as you can see, it is a two-part case. All right, so if I remove this, you get that dual layer protection. Now I won't remove this second part for all of the cases because it's the same series, but just wanted to let you know in case you're not familiar with the Aries case series for iBlason. All right, so as you can see here, you do got that lip protection. All right, your camera cutout, and you have your side buttons there. All right, bottom cutouts, and of course your top cutout. All right, nothing on this side here. Feels really comfortable to hold. All right, so let's look at the next color. All right, next we have Aries Pink. All right, so slide this out real quick. And this looks pretty dope. All right, you got the gray and then the pink on the inside there. Really nice. All right, so let's take a look at the next color. And the last one we have for the Galaxy S21 is black. All right, take a look at the Aries Black. Let's see here. Pretty cool looking. All right. Again, you get the two-tone. You get the two-tone with all three of them. All right. So there you go. Let's take a look at the cases for the S21 Plus. All right. So again, this is purple for the S21 Plus. All right. Let's go ahead and get this open really quick. All right, get all this out the way. There you have it. It's a bit larger. All right, but the same case. If you want to see a size comparison, I'll do it real quick. There you go. All right, there you go. Let's do the bottom really quick. All right. So let's look at the next color for the S21 Plus. And next we have, of course, the Aries Pink. Okay. There we go. All right. Nice dual protection with these cases. So if you were to drop it, you will get good protection. All right. So let's look at the last color, which is black. All right, so the last one is black. Squeeze, pop open. All right, get this out of here. go. All right. And it has a decent grip to it, so it shouldn't be too slippery. It's not reinforced, but at least it does have, you can hear that it has some grip to it. All right. So let's look at the last set of cases for the S21 Ultra. All right, so the first one we're going to look at is the Aries Pink for the S21 Ultra. All right, let's get this open real quick. There we go, get this out the way. Now, of course, you've already seen this color, but just for a quick size comparison, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra. Of course, you can see the camera cutouts are significantly different. All right. And the footprint, this is a little bit taller. You can see here as well. Let's get that lined up. Just a little bit taller. All right. Let's look at the bottom. Let's see here. There we go. So as far as holding it wise, it's about the same. Maybe just a tad bit wider. All right. But then again, you have the Aries Pink. All right. Let's take a look at the last two. All right. So we have Aries Black. Let's get all of this out of the way real quick. All right. All right, really cool, real easy to hold, of course. All right, so now let's look at the last one, which is Aries Purple. All right. All right, get all this out of the way. There we go. Aries Purple. All right. Now, if you're interested in any one of these cases, please use the link in the description section of this video. And this completes my review of the Aries series case lineup by iBlason for the Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. I thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.